Hello friends, welcome to Namaste English. Friends, today we have brought very interesting story. The Shepherd Boy and the Wolf. Friends, once upon a time, there lived a shepherd boy who used to take care of the sheep in a village. Every day he used to take the herd of the sheep on the top of the hill and bring them down by evening. But one day he felt really bored. He decided to have some fun. So he shouted loudly, "Wolf, wolf, help, help." The farmers in the neighboring area heard the boy's cry for help. All the villagers ran to the top of the hill to save the sheep. When they came to spot, they did not notice any sign of a wolf. The farmer asked the boy, "Wasn't it you who cried for help?" The boy laughed and said, "There is no wolf here. It was just a joke. Ha ha ha." The next day, the boy played the same trick. And all the farmers were annoyed once again. A few days later, a wolf really came. The boy cried for help, but this time no one came. The wolf killed many of the boy's sheep. The boy felt sorry for his silly joke. The moral of the story is, liars are not believed even when they speak truth. Thank you.